Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsnoff, Certified Master Mechanic from Reading, Pennsylvania, and today we're going to talk about how to sell a car for parts in Toronto. And whether you're in Toronto, Pennsylvania, Michigan, just about anywhere you're at, the first step you can do when you're trying to sell a car for parts is advertise in your local newspaper. A lot of times they'll have trade papers, auto locators, any magazine similar to that will do you pretty good. If you're still having problems selling it for parts after that, you can try a website, eBay. There's a lot of people out there that are selling cars for parts on eBay. And that's about the simplest way, whether you're selling a complete car or you're selling individual parts on a car like cylinder heads, the master cylinders or whatever. Your advertising, word of mouth is probably your best bet, is to find a local newspaper, auto locator, a lot of different websites out there. eBay will do you pretty good. Other than that, it's fairly pretty simple. Just do a little research and find out what's working in your area, talk to some people, and that's the easiest way for selling a car for parts.